Hello, welcome to Aarti's Math. Today we are going to solve Mathematics Paper 2 Extended May-June 2019 question paper. The first question is, write down a prime number between 50 and 60. Prime number means the number whose factors are 1 and itself. So between 50 and 60 we have 53 and 59, two numbers. Use your calculator to work out square root of 1 minus sine 33 degrees square. So we are taking our calculator, square root of 1 minus sine 33 square. That gives us 0.8386. So we are going to write here 0.839 because we have 6. Next question, write the recurring decimal 0.7 as fraction. So we are going to write the recurring decimal here. First, this type of problem, name the recurring decimal in terms of x. Since we have one digit as a repeating number, I'm just multiplying this with 10. We'll get 7.777. Now 10x minus x, which gives us 7. 10 minus 1 is 9. So 9x is equal to 7. This gives us x is equal to 7 by 9. Next, complete each statement. We are going to complete this. This question deals with geometry. A quadrilateral with only one pair of parallel side is called as one pair of parallel side. The other pair will not be parallel. That means it is a trapezium. An angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is obtuse angle. So angle. Next question. The distance between Prague and Vienna is 254 kilometers. The local time in Prague is the same as the local time in Vienna. A train leaves Prague at 15:20 minutes and arrives in Vienna at 19:50 the same day. Calculate the average speed. We know the speed formula. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. Our distance is 254 kilometers divided by time, final minus the initial start time, end time minus the initial time. So we have 19 and 50 over 60 because this is in minutes we are converting, minus 15 and 20 over 60. So we have a mixed fraction here. We are taking our calculator to solve this. First fraction, 254 divided by, we have a mixed fraction, 19 and 50 over 60. That minus again a mixed fraction, which is 15 and 20 over 60. That gives us a fraction if you need in terms of decimals. This is your answer, 56.44. It's a recurring decimal, so I'm stopping with 2 digits. 56.44 kilometers per hour is the speed. Next, sixth question, solve the equation 9f plus 11 is equal to 3f plus 23. Now I'm taking f terms to one side and constant to the other side. This gives us 6f is equal to 23 minus 11 is 12. So f is equal to 12 divided by 6, that is q. This is the end of the sixth problem. Continuing with the next, we have seventh problem here. You have a diagram. It's a triangle whose base is 8.4, height is 3.5. Area of the triangle is given by the formula half multiplied with base multiplied with height. So half multiplied with base is 8.4 multiplied with 3.5. Direct we can take our calculator and go for the fraction. 1 divided by 2 multiplied with 8.4 multiplied with 3.5. That gives us in terms of fraction. I'm writing in terms of answer decimals. That gives us 14.7 centimeter square is our area. Now next question, direct, it deals with numbers. Write this number correct to two significant figure. You know the meaning of significant figure. We have to start from 4, then 7, it is the second significant figure. Check the next number, it is 8. So 4 instead of 7, add 1 with it, which is 8, 0.048. Write 0.00527 in standard form. We are going to write in standard form. Simple count. Here is a decimal point. You have to count in this way: 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 shifts. 5.27 multiplied with 10 to the power negative 3. We are bringing to this side. That's why. Find the highest common factor HCF of 90 and 48. Take 90, go for L division, which can go in 3 tables. That gives us 30. Again, divide with 3, which gives us 10. You can divide with 2, which will give you 5. All are prime number. You can stop here. 48, we can divide by 2, that gives us 24. Again divide by 2, which gives us 12. Again divide by 2, which will give you 6. Again divide by 2, which will give you 3. Now I'll check for common terms. 3, 3. I don't have any other 3, skip it. 2, 2. We don't have any other number as a common number, which is dividing both the numbers. So HCF is equal to 3 multiplied with 2. That gives us 6. Our answer is 6. Now, on a map with scale 1:25,000, the area of the lake is 33.6 centimeter square. Calculate the actual area. This is in terms of centimeter. Actual area we are having in terms of square meters. So step 1 is convert square kilometers. This is in terms of just kilometers. I am taking 1 centimeter is to 25,000 kilometers. We need in terms of square, so taking square. Okay. Now the question states that this 33.6 centimeter square in the map means what is in the reality. So actual area is equal to 33.6 multiplied with 25,000 divided by 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000,000 centimeter. So I'm just using that here. Okay, and we have square, I'm converting centimeter in terms of kilometers. Now take your calculator, go for fraction. 33.6 multiplied with 25,000 square divided by 100,000 square. 100,000 square, which gives us 2.1. So this is in terms of kilometers square. Here ends your 10th problem. Now the next problem is write down the matrix that represents an enlargement. Scale factor is 3, center is 0, 0. When you have center as 0, 0 and scale factor is given, enlargement matrix is defined by the scale factor and these two zeros will play 3. Scale factor 0, 0, 3. This will be your matrix. Whenever they provide center as 0, 0, you can write directly in this way, provided in the leading diagonal you should have the scale factor. Now 12th question we are going to solve. 5m square multiplied with 2m cube, you are going to simplify. That means constant multiplied with constant. 5 multiplied with 2 is 10. M square multiplied with m cube, you know the rule, bases are same, means we will add the power. So m to the power 2 plus 3, which gives us 5. Next, x to the power 8, the whole power 3. That means x power 8 multiplied with 3. 8 multiplied with 3 is 24. So we have x to the power 24. Now without using a calculator, work out. We are going to solve this. Q and 1/4 divided by 3/7. Now you have to convert it to proper fraction. So 2 multiplied with 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9 divided over 4, and this will be multiplying 7 over 3. I can cancel these two values. This will go 3 times, this will go 1 times. The left out is 3 multiplied with 7 is 21 divided by 4. So we have 21 over 4. Okay, next. Solve the simultaneous equation. Name this as equation 1, name this as equation 2. In equation 2 we have fraction, so I'm going to convert it to the number value. Second equation, multiplied with, we have q in the denominator, multiplying with 2. 2 multiplied with half is 1x, plus 2 multiplied with 3 is 6y, equal to 14. This is your new second equation. Now first equation I'll write as such: 5x plus 8y is equal to 4. Second equation, the new equation I'm taking, and I'm just multiplying that with 5. Second equation multiplied with 5, the new equation, this one we are taking. That gives us 5x plus 5 times of 6 is 30y. 5 times of 14, 4 is 0, balance to 70. Now change the symbol because both the 5x are having same sign. You can cancel 5x and you have to go for simplification here. I'll take 30 minus 8, which gives us negative 22y, which is equal to 74 minus 70, that is negative 66. We can go for solving this. Negative 66 divided by negative 22, that gives us 66 divided by 22, which is 3. Y is equal to 3. Now we have to find what is x. You can substitute in 1 to find what is x. Substituting in 1, that gives me 5x plus 8 multiplied with 3 is equal to 4. That will be 5x, 8 multiplied with 3 is 24, which is equal to 4. 5x is equal to 4 negative 24. That gives us 5x. This will be negative 20. X is equal to negative 20 divided by 5. That means x is equal to negative 4. We have x as negative 4 and y as 3. Now, Shona buys a chair in a sale for $435.60. This is a reduction of 12% of original price. So, the cost is 88% of original price. Which cost means this 435.60. How I am getting 88 means this 12% is the reduction price. So 100 minus 12, which gives me 88%. From that we are getting 88% is 435.60 means 100% is what? So original price is equal to 435.60, that divided by the percentage value. You can write divided by 88 divided by 100, or you can write multiplied with 100 divided by 88. So I'm taking the calculator. 435.6 divided by the fraction 88 divided by 100, which gives us the answer as $495. So the original price of the chair is $495. Next, 16th question. You have a graph here and the equations are provided here. By shading the unwanted region of the grid, understand, you're going to shade unwanted region. Find and label the region R. We are going to find and label the region R, which satisfies 3 inequalities. So first thing, I will find out what is this line representing. Okay, let me check I'll take this equation. Y is equal to, put x is equal to 0, that will be giving y is less than or equal to 6. Find which passes through 6, this. So this line will be y less than or equal to -1 by 2x plus 6. The same way, check here, put this is equal to 0 and check y is greater than or equal to -4. -4, that line passes through this. So y is greater than or equal to 3x minus 4. Okay, the same way, put x equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to, that means this is going to be my that equations line. Now I'm going to shade the region. Let me check again. Y should be less than or equal to 6. Let me fix 6. Less than means below the line. Greater than means above the line. The point says that it should be less than. The answer should be less than 6. That means unwanted region will be greater than 6. So we are shading all the regions above the line y less than or equal to -1 by 2 x plus 6. Fine, I'm shading. Next, this one, y should be greater than or equal to -4. -4, it should be greater than or equal to -4 means above the line is greater than -4, below the line is less than -4. Okay, so we are shading the opposite, so I'm shading less than -4. I'm taking less than -4, that is on that is below that line you have to shade. We are shading all the regions. Now, when you put x equal to 0 here, y should be greater than or equal to 5. Y should be greater than or equal to 5 means, let me fix 5. It should be greater than 5. That is the required part. So, less than is not required or unwanted region. So, I am shading the unwanted region of this line. So, once the shading is done, you will recognize the unshaded region is the required answer part. So we have the unshaded region here. This is going to be our unshaded portion. Fine. This is A question's answer. A question, find the largest value of x plus y in the region R. You are going to find the largest value of x plus y, and that is nowhere related to this. So just fix x plus y. I'm just taking 2 and I'm taking 7 over here. This point if I fix, that gives me x plus y as 7. Let me check with some other value. This is the line which will be giving me largest value because this is a below line. No use with it. Okay, let me check with this point. 0 plus 6, that is going to be 6, so we don't want that. Let me check with this point. -2 and 9, that gives us -2 and 9, 7 again. So -2 and 7, that gives us 5. So this is going to be the largest value. So 7 is our answer. Done. So with this, I'm ending this video. The continuation will be in the second part. Thank you for watching my video.